Hello everyone, welcome to HW News. Almost 2 months after the ban on flights was imposed, the airports have been opened once again, and from today onwards the flights have been operational. As the Ministry of Aviation has said, from today onwards, several states have allowed the flights to take off from the airports, and also the landings have been permitted. And right now we are standing at Mumbai airport. Domestic travel has been permitted. International travel, there is not yet permission for the international airlines to operate. However, domestic flights have been started, and several passengers, as you can see, have lined up over here to go to their respective destination. As for the Maharashtra government, it has announced that 25 domestic flights will be operational, 25 landings and 25 takeoffs have been permitted from the Mumbai domestic airport. Yesterday, Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, in his address to the state, had said that it is very difficult for the state to open up the airports. However, it will take a little more time, but in the evening, as the day proceeded, in the evening, Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik informed that 25 flights will be operational, 25 landings and 25 takeoffs will be permitted from Mumbai domestic airport. And as you can see, there is a queue of people. You can see the social distancing is being followed throughout. People are queuing up, but at a distance. And you can see there is thermal screening going on at the doorstep. I'm telling my camera to just give you a glimpse of what is happening across the entrance point. Their thermal checking of passengers is being done. Arogya Setu app has been mandatory for the flyers, and these are the flyers that are going to their respective destinations from Mumbai. And almost 25 flights have been permitted for the takeoff and for landing from Mumbai domestic airport. The first flight went to Patna, and 50 such flights will be operated today, but the minister said that gradually more and more flights will be allowed to take off and land in Mumbai airport. As India moves towards normalcy, we can see one of the major challenges to maintain the security on flights as well as in the trains, which have been started as well. So flyers are taking very good precautions. You can see the flyers are wearing masks, which is compulsory. They are wearing gloves. Some of the flyers are also wearing face shields, and the staff, as you can see, the staff is also taking very good precautions. Staffs have been given face shields. Staffs have been given, you can see, the masks, and some staffs inside the airports have also been given the PPE kits. So the preparation is in full swing. The airports are ready, but several passengers are also facing a very big problem because flights are being cancelled. So passengers who have travelled all the way to the airport from different parts of these cities are facing a huge problem because flights are cancelled. We will go and talk to some of the passengers whose flights have been cancelled to understand what kind of problems they are going through. We are talking to one of the passengers who had booked the ticket, but apparently his flight has been cancelled. So he has been sitting here for last few hours at least. So let us go and talk to him. What are the problems that he faced? So first of all, tell me, आपका नाम क्या है सर?
आशीष।
अच्छा आशीष जी, आपने फ्लाइट बुक किया था कहाँ का?
इलाहाबाद, प्रयागराज।
प्रयागराज का। तो फ्लाइट कैंसिल हुआ या आपको कब पता चला?
एक्चुअली ये पता चला मेरे को जस्ट वो 15 to 20 मिनट्स पहले, बिकॉज ऑफ जब मैं आया, मैं 3 आवर्स पहले आया था यहाँ पे, तो वो मोस्टली बोलते हैं 2 आवर्स, बट मैं 3 आवर्स पहले आया था। बट लाइन्स इतनी लंबी थी कि वहीं पे डिले हो गया, फिर इसलिए फ़्लाइट मिस हो गई।
अच्छा, आपकी फ़्लाइट यहाँ से मिस हो गई बेसिकली। अच्छा, तो आप एक बात बताइए मुझे, हम जब यहाँ पे आते हैं तो आपको भी थोड़ा सा डर लगा रहेगा कि कैसे हम फ्लाइट में जाएंगे, क्योंकि सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग आजकल ये बड़ा एक ऐसा नॉर्म्स है हमारा यहाँ पे कोरोना के समय में। तो आपको कुछ ऐसा डर लगा फ्लाइट बुक करते समय या कुछ?
नहीं, वैसा तो कुछ था नहीं, क्योंकि बिकॉज ऑफ प्रिपरेशंस पहले से ही थी, स्टार्ट करना था इसलिए। और आने के बाद भी यहाँ पे पता चला सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मतलब मेंटेन है, ठीक ठाक थी। उतना परफेक्ट नहीं था, बट फिर भी ठीक था।
और हम अगर देखें यहाँ पे, दूसरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि कल तक कोई क्लैरिटी नहीं थी कि फ़्लाइट यहाँ से स्टार्ट होगी कि नहीं। महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट ने परमिशन नहीं दिया था, तो रात को जब ये परमिशन आया फाइनली, तो कुछ आपको तकलीफ़ हुई? मतलब फ़्लाइट कब बुक की थी आपने?
मैंने फ़िलहाल 3 दिन पहले की थी, 25 की थी, 22 या 3 को की थी। तो ऐसा लग तो रहा था कैंसिल हो जाएगी, बिकॉज कल शाम तक नहीं थी, रात को अचानक से परमिशन मिला, तो ठीक है।
तो आप अभी मतलब मुंबई में से कहाँ से आए हैं यहाँ तक?
मैं चेंबूर एरिया से आया हूँ।
अच्छा, कैसे आए आप?
टैक्सी।
टैक्सी से आए, प्राइवेट टैक्सी से। तो अभी आपको यहाँ से वहाँ जाना मतलब दैट इज ऑल्सो अनदर
इशू।
करेक्ट। तो आपको मतलब क्या कहना चाहेंगे गवर्नमेंट से, ऐसे फ्लाइट वगैरह कैंसिल हो जाता है?
फ्लाइट इन द सेंस लाइक कि थोड़ा वर्क थोड़ा फास्ट करना चाहिए इनको अपना, क्योंकि मैं 3 घंटे से लाइन में खड़ा था। उसके बाद जब आधा घंटा पता चला तो मैंने उनको इन्फॉर्म किया, तो उन्होंने बोला डायरेक्टली कि वैसे ले लेना चाहिए कि 20 मिनट्स पहले क्लोज़ होता है, बट उन्होंने बोला कि हो चुका है, बंद हो चुका है सब। तो बोला ठीक।
नेक्स्ट आपके फ्लाइट मतलब
अ, हाँ, अरेंज करके दिया 27 को सेम टाइम पे 12:45 की।
तो अभी आपका और थोड़ा डिले हो।
हाँ, थोड़ा डिले हो गया।
Okay, thank you so much, sir. So as you can see, the flights have been delayed, and as he complained that some of the work has been going in a very slow manner. So that is also a big problem for the passengers, because those passengers who have come here early, as he said, he has come here 3 hours prior to the departure, but still he couldn't get in because of the slow functioning of the airport staff. But this is the first day of reopening of the airports after the lockdown. So definitely there are challenges in front of the airport staff as well. So these are the some teething problems that they need to also work on, and the passengers are, however, some are feeling a lot of problems. So that is what we talked about right now.
11:05 का था। हम सुबह यहाँ 7:30 बजे पहुँचे। इधर आने के बाद बोला कि आपका फ़्लाइट का रद्द हो गया। अभी तकलीफ़ यही है, अभी रात को 11:05 का 10:05 का किया है।
आप पूरा दिन क्या करेंगे फिर?
यहीं रहेंगे। अभी कहाँ जाएंगे? उल्लासनगर से आए, कल्याण। अभी बताया ना, वो टिकट भाई गया था वहाँ, पता करके आया तो बोला आपका अभी मैसेज आया है कि भाई रात को आपको 10:05 का टिकट है। अभी व्यवस्था क्या है, हम लोग अभी सोच रहे थे कि जल्दी हो जाए उतना अच्छा। हमारा तो यही विचार है।
मैं भी जा रहा हूँ, और सुबह मैं घर से 5 बजे निकला था, और अपना फ़्लाइट था 11 बजे, 11:05 का फ़्लाइट था। और फिर इधर आके देखा तो फ़्लाइट बोलता है कि हम लोग अंदर घुसने लगे, तो अंदर नहीं घुसा, हमको नहीं घुसने दिया। बोला तुम्हारा फ़्लाइट नंबर इसके अंदर है ही नहीं लिस्ट में। तो हम थोड़ी देर खड़े रहे, बाहर देखा, तो इधर उधर देख के फिर अंदर गए, तो फिर बाद में पता चला कि यार फ़्लाइट क्या नाम है कैंसिल कर दिया गया है। तो फिर 2 घंटे बाद में क्या नाम है मालूम पड़ा कि बोला कि 11:05 का फ़्लाइट है, वो आपका रात्रि 10:05 पे कर दिया गया है। तो आप तब तक इंतज़ार करो। तो अभी इधर उधर ही खाली घूम रहे हैं, बाकी और कोई ठिकाना है ही नहीं।
तो आपको मतलब वेटिंग का भी कोई व्यवस्था यहाँ पे नहीं?
या कोई वेटिंग, अंदर घुसने नहीं देते वेटिंग की, तो बस कोई पानी वगैरह की कोई सुविधा नहीं है फिलहाल इधर।
आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
हम मैं उल्लास नंबर 1 से आया हूँ। अथॉरिटी से पूछा, बताने के लिए कोई तैयारी नहीं थे। अभी फिर बाद में कम से कम 2-3 घंटे बाद में कोई आदमी आया, उसका कर्मचारी, तो उन्होंने बताया कि आपका 10:05 पे कर दिया गया है।
Actually, I have booked the ticket, and after coming to airport, I was very happy that at least I reached before the 3 hours also. And suddenly I got my friend's message, the man who has booked the ticket, that you please confirm, because I got email and that your flight is cancelled. So I got shocked, and I just make inquiry going for inquiry counter number 3 Indigo. That was very big queue. So I just one lady standing in queue, I requested, because I can't stand for 2 hours in the queue. So she has confirmed that your flight is cancelled. So as per message on mobile, she sent that message, and I kept that message. And now I don't know, my flight is 4:30, but as per the having the all checking system, so time will be there. So 3 hours before we came, and after reaching, because I am staying at Parel opposite Wadi Hospital, and from there I came. I am a senior citizen, and I am a BP patient, and as well as I am a depression patient. I am always staying here from the first lockdown, from 23rd, when just suddenly they announced, and from that day I am staying alone here. And 2 days before, what happened? Our building, which is having the 18th floor, is got suddenly fire, and so 7:30 on 22nd this month, 7:30 came down, and for 2 days I just slept in the temple. Now I am happy, no problem, we can suffer for 2 days because of 25 my plate train ticket was there. So I managed. Now after coming from there, they are telling your flight is cancelled. I don't know. If you want to cancel, you can confirm, give the message one day before, and you are not sending message, or telephone number is there, your ticket, everything, and that book also from agent. He's got all details. And I came from there. I paid 800 rupees to the private taxi. Nobody is coming there, because coming on the taxi, this police officers, they are harassing, and unnecessarily they are giving trouble. So having that facing us, we came here. Now after coming, this problem, because I don't know, government has not at least sent it. When you have booked the ticket, your duty that you must start the flight. No, if you don't want to stand as it is for last 4 this is lockdown, we are as it is. So unnecessary, why you are giving the arrangement? Because first 15 lockdown finished, that ticket also my flight cancelled that I booked for Go Air, and again I booked the same ticket. That was also cancelled. This is my third ticket I booked, and that is also got cancelled. And this is for Indigo. My first 2 tickets was for Go Air. Where I can bring the money so much? Because when I book the Indigo, they are telling that our airlines is different. Our airlines, you have to pay. So I pay 6,300. I showed the ticket, taking the money from other. Now what we can do, and we can up to what we can suffer this one. Who is responsible? You just suddenly and telling the flight is cancelled. At least you get some sense that people who are coming nearby from outside, because Bombay for coming international this airport, it is not so easy. And coming after this, you are telling, I just sitting now what to do. And up to, is it sure? If it's not sure, why you are coming and unnecessary wasted money and time also? Huh? And second, suddenly that incident was so, up to the 14th floor, I can't go to walk in. So as 2 days I stepped in near the Datta Mandir temple. What to do? Because where I can go? Because no buses there, no taxis is coming. Where I can go? So government at least understand how much you are giving the trouble to this. Lockdown means what? Everything, black market is going, all liquor getting, tobacco is getting, tobacco giving, this one, gutka, everything is available. Now one small tobacco, this rate is 6 rupees, they are selling for 50 rupees and 60 rupees. One small quarter selling 600 and 400. How the money comes and how this business going, government don't know. They all know very well. But unnecessary.
Have you been informed now? When will you get another flight or anything like that?
No, we have not any message from our this Indigo. Only this cancellation message that they are not further informed. And now money is in their hands, so now we are beggar. We have to wait for the money. Because last 2 tickets I have booked them for this Go Air, that money they are not given refunded. They are telling me within 3 months you travel anytime, that we will not value, that money will be cut out from that amount. So I don't know where I can bring the monies. See, what I am telling you, government is different and his airlines is different. Understand? No? Our money is not in the government. Our money is the this ticket book where I book the ticket. That company, their money is in their pocket. So what government did not bother, because my money is there only. No government will give me money. You have paid that money to their airlines. You ask for their money. So this is the common sense. Unnecessary government telling, then who is unnecessarily giving the punishment? What we have done anything wrong? This is the 4th lockdown we are going. Last 50 days I am here. My daughter and my wife, they are staying in Bangalore. They were, if you die also we can't come. There is no any transport, no train, no bus and no flight also. So you better try anyway. You reach to the Bangalore. Something happen, we will help you. Because I am a depression patient. I am daily taking tablet. I am going for doctor also. I am daily going for checking the BP. So you tell me, at least you understand this. All VIPs, I am not a Mukesh Ambani that I can do anything and nobody will be happy that much. I am a just common man. You just understand now. Please you help and just try to understand. If you want to do at least 24, 40 years, you inform to the public that this is the end. So at least we get some idea, no? We will wait there only. Why I should come? Now again going for money, I have to pay 800 rupees. Where I bring money? Just taking for others' money, I came after each year. Now you only suggest. Anything is wrong, I can't say, but what true fact has that told you?
Okay, so we spoke to a lot of passengers whose flights have been cancelled, and all of them had only one complaint. They came to know that their flights were cancelled only after coming to the airports. Many of them came from different parts of city, far away, far corners of these cities, including Ulhasnagar, including from Parel. So these people have come from different parts of the city, and they also faced a lot of problem while reaching to the airport because public transport is still not running. So a lot of them had hired taxis, private private taxis or private vehicles and had come here at least 3 to 4 hours prior. Some are waiting here since morning 7:30 a.m. and still their flights were cancelled, but they were not informed. Only after coming to the airport they got to know that their flights have been cancelled. One common complaint all of them had was the staff of airlines is not very cooperative. They had a lot of problems while understanding that their flights have been cancelled indeed. The other complaint that we are hearing from the passengers here that there is no staff, and that is why it has affected the operations at the airport. This is the first day of opening of the airport services, the flight services after the lockdown. So there are these teething problems that are happening at the airports while they are opening up and starting the services again. With cameraman Rohit Kerkar, Aarti Ghargi, HW News.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.